Alright, now let's do the same exact thing, but in the case that we have to produce JPEG figures. Pretty much the same thing. These 5 figures right here, let's assume they're finished. Right click, load code, choose in the same script folder, batch JPEG export script.py. Only thing that's really different is these JPEGs output. And yeah, let's press enter twice and it's going to the same location. And you see it's just as fast and just like that. And like sub 10 seconds, we managed to, this was the output location I specified. But here are 10 figures, 2 formats. Yeah, very useful.